this is Infraready. This is our latest portal design. So instead of having the plasma, it's going to have an LED speaker plate. So when we turn the device on, so this is just using a radio as an input in a minute and not the spirit box. I'm just trying to power that off in a minute. It's got these very crude. So yeah, so rather than having the plasma, you've got the LED speaker grill instead. So it's really effective in the night. So as we said, we're just using a normal radio as an input there. Just one of these at the back, just for testing purposes. But we'll build the reverb circuitry in very shortly. Watch your space.